Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Hipad Max, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to find the apps. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Special App Access, and here we have to scroll down to find Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, and just like in my case, to install some content. And of course we can change it, just find the app and then tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.